What's going on? Larry here, back again with another quick little breakdown video. In my previous breakdown, I got a request to do a remake of 42 by Pierre Bourne. So I kept this beat very simple and the song itself is not very complicated. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Our tempo is set to 163 BPM. For our first sound, I'm using the analog silk pad preset. Here's the sound design settings that I'm using. Here are the notes that I'm playing. So simple 2-chord progression playing over and over again. For the second sound, I'm using Atlantean Bells preset. Here's the sound design settings. Here are the notes that's being played. It's basically arpeggiating the chord progression I showed you earlier. And that'll pretty much do it for the melody section. Next, you have your typical Pierre / Zaytoven 808 sound. And here's the pattern. A simple 2-step hi-hat pattern. And a clap on the downbeat. And yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this beat. Super simple. The reason why I like this beat so much is that you don't need to make things super complicated in order for it to sound good. And a lot of Pierre Bourne type beat is pretty much creating that vibe and bounce with simplicity. I absolutely love his style. I don't think I'll ever get tired of making this type of beat. But yeah, let me know down in the comments down below which breakdown you want to see next. Also, I set up a Patreon page where you'll be able to download the project files of every GarageBand breakdown I made. And I'm also creating Patreon exclusive tutorials, so make sure to check that out. Link is in the description down below. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.